Are you ready to draw cute cat together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. Start by drawing a huge, round eye on the right side. Then draw a curve inside. And add shiny highlights. Draw the matching big sparkling eye on the left side to keep it symmetrical and cute. Now color the rest of the eyes black. Draw a small triangle in the middle for the nose. Under the nose, draw a small curved line to make a cute smiling mouth. Draw a short curved line above the eyes for the top of the head. Draw the pointy shape of the right ear at the top right of the head. Add inner triangle lines inside ears to give them a nice layered look. Make the cheeks a little puffy and fluffy on both sides. Now, draw the matching pointy left ear at the top left of the head. Add the curved patch lines around the ears. Finally, draw the chubby body and the curve for the right side leg. Draw the two round sitting feet at the bottom on both sides. Your adorable kitty is looking fantastic. Draw spots anywhere you want. Now, draw the two small, cute front paws tucked against its chubby belly. Draw the curved, stripe pattern tail, curving up behind the cat's body on the right side. Add the adorable little toe pads inside the bottom feet to make them look extra cute. Now your adorable cat drawing is completely finished. You are a good artist. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.